Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. So today we're gonna talk about upcoming Apple iPhone SE2. Let's have a look. The SE range of phones from Apple comes with the highest customer satisfaction. No one is quite sure about the release of iPhone SE2, but it's going to be launched sooner or later. The original model of the phone was released way back in the spring of 2016, and with that in mind, the company may release the phone finally in the spring of 2019 with two special events the company has hosted in the last 2 months. None of them talk specifically about the launch of this model. If the new SE2 follows the footsteps of the iPhone 7 or the models after it, it will not include the headphone jack. According to some Japanese news source, the pupils who saw the phone during a show claims it looks quite similar to original version, expect that it might not have the headphone jack. According to the news source said that the iPhone SE2 may be launched at the later date, or possibly people can expect the arrival of the phone somewhere around spring 2019, exactly 3 years after the launch of the first SE handset. Although rumors say that the Apple iPhone SE2 likely to be styled with the X models of the iPhone, reports suggest that there might be an SE styles iPhone be eventually released. According to some of the renewed analytics, the company is perhaps too busy planning the successor of the X-style models to dedicate more time to this entry-level device. The iPhone SE2 is likely to have a similar design with that of the current SE model, but it may have a large screen size of about 4.2 inch with the shape of resembling the current models. According to the rumors, the new iPhone SE2 will include the A10 Fusion, which is the chip as compared with the A9 chip in SE and the iPhone 6s. This report may become true when you consider a February report stating that the new version will not include the A9 chip present in the original models, but may include 2 GB of RAM along with 128 GB and 32 GB capacities. Furthermore, the screen size of SE2 will be bigger than the current models, which is likely to be achieved by reducing the size of the bezels. Unlike the screen that stretches to the base of the models and does not have a home button, you can expect it to stay the new models. The iPhone SE2 is not a flagship model, so the features of this model are not going to be the entirely new. You can expect that get the Face ID, the biometric technology of the iPhone X with the Animoji and the portrait mode on the front-facing selfies. With the chances of the company unlocking the capacity of the NFC chips, this new might have these chips for the interacting with the badge readers. The 3D touchscreen of Apple has been around for some time, so it feels logical for the company to add it. However, the rumors say that the days of this technology is numbered, so the new iPhone may be similar than the previous models. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Apple iPhone SE2. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video, and hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And peace out, take care, bye bye.